Are you tired of top-load washers that just get the job done, especially with bulky loads and tough stains? What if I told you there's a machine that combines deep cleaning muscle with smart features and flexible wash options? In today's review, we're diving into the Whirlpool WTW8127LC, powerful top-load washer that's changing the game. But is it worth the price? Stick around, because the verdict might surprise you. Product overview. The Whirlpool WTW8127LC is a 27-inch top-load washing machine. Released in 2025 by Whirlpool, trusted American appliance brand with over a century of innovation behind it. Designed with large households and heavy laundry loads in mind, this washer boasts a spacious 5.3 cu feet capacity and some seriously smart features. It's a standout option for users who want both traditional top-load access and modern cleaning performance. Whether you're dealing with sweaty gym clothes, king-size bedding, or just everyday family laundry, this washer is built to handle it all with speed and style. Performance. In real-world use, the WTW8127LC delivers powerful, consistent cleaning, especially when tackling full loads or deeply soiled items. Thanks to its 360 wash agitator and adaptive wash technology, this washer dynamically adjusts water levels, spin speeds, and agitation patterns to match the needs of each load. That means cleaner clothes with less guesswork. During stress tests, even bulky comforters and loads with mixed fabrics came out evenly washed and well rinsed. Surprisingly, despite its strong performance, the unit remains fairly quietest, especially for a top loader. This is largely thanks to its low-noise motor and suspension system, which keeps vibrations in check. One pleasant surprise? The built-in faucet and pretreat station make pre-washing stains super convenient, especially for active families or households with kids. On the flip side, while it's fast for a top loader, some cycles still take over an hour. Something to keep in mind if you're always in a rush. Features and tech. The Whirlpool WTW8127LC is packed with smart, user-friendly features. 2-in removable agitator. Need a gentler wash for delicates or space for bulky items? Just pull out the agitator and switch modes. It's like having 2 washers in one. Pretreat Station Plus includes a built-in faucet and brush, so you can handle stains before starting the cycle. No more walking across the house to pretreat in the sink. Smart appliance capability. With the Whirlpool app, you can start, pause, or monitor your laundry remotely, plus receive cycle notifications. It also integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for true smart home synergy. Load and go dispenser. This lets you fill detergent once and forget about it for up to 20 loads. It dispenses just the right amount every time. Compared to rivals like GE or LG, Whirlpool's app experience is simpler, but very intuitive, great for users who want functionality without tech overload. Design and build. The WTW8127LC features a modern stainless steel look with a sleek, matte finish that resists smudges and fingerprints. Perfect for busy laundry rooms. The touch controls are placed in the rear panel, but still easy to access even for shorter users. The interior drum is stainless steel, which not only looks premium, but resists odors and wear over time. One design highlight is the see-through slow-close lid, giving you a peek inside without the risk of slamming. The build feels solid and durable, from the control dial to the tub's interior. While it's not compact, its vertical footprint helps maximize space compared to front loaders. Pros: huge 5.3 cu feet. Capacity flexible 2-in-1 agitator. Quiet, powerful cleaning. Cons: some wash cycles are longer than expected, higher price point than basic top load models. Price and value retailing around $1,199. $1,299 USD. The WTW8127LC is a premium top loader, but you're paying for flexibility, performance, and smart features. Compared to competitors in the $1,000 plus range, its removable agitator and pretreat station make it stand out. Whirlpool also offers frequent promotions, so look out for seasonal discounts. Final verdict. The Whirlpool WTW8127LC is an impressive blend of size, smarts, and washing power. If you've been holding off on upgrading your top loader, this model delivers the flexibility of a traditional washer with the convenience of modern features. The 2-in-1 removable agitator alone is a game changer for households juggling different types of laundry. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, it's an investment in convenience, efficiency, and longevity. If you value large loads, better stain treatment, and smart controls, this machine is absolutely worth considering.